Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and let's talk about cord control. I am talking about that jumbled mess of charging cables that's on your desk, your countertop, your bedside table. This awesome retractable charger from asput is going to change all of that. This charger is equipped with two retractable cables, a USB Type-C and a lightning cable, because those are what I use all the time to charge my iPad and iPhone, but you can also get this with two Type-C retractable cables that fit your devices. It also includes a USB-C and USB-A charging ports, so you can actually charge 4 devices at once. So this is a 4-in-1 charger. It makes it awesome for traveling or for the office, not needing to bring several different chargers along. With a gentle pull, the cables are extended, and with a quick pull, they easily retract, hiding the cord. This charger automatically adjusts the power output to your devices to prevent overcharging and overheating, so it keeps your devices protected. I also found it charges them all super fast. So the technical aspects of this charger, of course, are great, but the main reason I chose this item was that retractability. I charge my phone and my iPad a lot in the kitchen, especially while I'm making dinner and maybe playing music or reading a recipe, and the cords were just always driving me crazy. I felt like my kitchen countertop never looked clean with all these cables sitting out, but I really wanted the chargers handy. So this is a simple and really effective solution to that problem. So this charger really has been a game changer for me. I honestly feel less anxious when I look at where that mess of cords used to be. It's clean, it's tidy, and it works really well, so I could not be happier. And that's my point of view.